Alright guys, so this is actually what the tower garden looks like as it's finished. I'm going to show you an assembly video, very brief, and then if you wait till the end, I actually did a time lapse of the seedlings as they were growing, very specifically one of our cannabis seeds, and then some of the other seeds that we have growing, some tomatoes and some just some other things. So kind of excited and hope you like the video. Okay, so the first step is just make sure that the reservoir is level. I did get a couple of boards here, and you need to have a nice clear open space for it, but make sure that it's level because you don't want the tower teetering in any one direction. Alright, and then the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to, of course, want to install your submergible water pump. It does have some suction cups on the bottom that you need to put in. What I did next was I actually put these the rods on top. They go into the hole that's labeled A. They have the other holes labeled so that you know not to make the mistake, but put in the rods before it, you can actually kind of control it like that. The next thing you'll do is you'll take that hose and you'll just put it in at the bottom over here. And a hand tighten should do it. Okay, so the next step is you're going to want to actually put in the first section, because this section is actually attached to the lid. The first section will be holes B that you want to put through the rods. Occasionally they don't set actually right on the money, so you just kind of have to wiggle it into position. The next section will be A, B, A. And if you have an extension like I do, you'll have 2 more levels. That's actually the height of it. It's including the one on the base. That's 5 levels high. That's how it comes. But you can order an extension that'll give you 2 more sections. And honestly, you can go probably 2 more sections if you wanted to. Okay, so that's the finished tower garden. We're going to fill it up with water, run the pump, make sure it works properly, and then we'll set in all of our different seedlings that we've got. And we will be planting, we have one little cannabis seed that we'll put in here, but we actually have a couple more that are coming in and we're going to see how they grow as well. I just wanted to show just a few moments of the operation of the garden. This small submersible pump. This is actually the timer. I can do a little video on that if you'd like. And then you can see the water actually streaming through the tower, bubbling up here. Yeah. According to the documentation that I've read is that this will produce about 40% faster. The food will produce 40% faster. So very excited about it.